According to American Marketing Association, green marketing is the marketing of products that are presumed to be environmentally safe. Good afternoon, all of you. Myself, Pawan Rajurkar. Today, the topic of my presentation is green marketing. So, let's start. Firstly, we see the introduction of the green marketing. Green marketing may be called as ecological marketing. Green marketing refers marketing of products that are presumed to be environmentally safe and the products that are natural and herbal. Green marketing in simple marketing of herbal and natural goods which are environmental friendly, which doesn't pollute the environment, and ecological friendly. And let's see our second slide, that is the evolution of green marketing. The green marketing has evolved over a period of time. According to PT, in 2001, the evolution of green marketing has three phases. The first phase was termed as ecological green marketing, and the second phase was termed as environmental green marketing, and the third phase was sustainable green marketing. Let's see why green marketing is not popular in India. People are more attracted toward foreign product. In India, people are more attracted toward foreign product as compared to our Indian product, that is called Swadeshi product. The second is most of the companies are not interested to producing herbal product. In India, there are so many companies that are not interested in producing herbal product. People are not aware of the importance of the green marketing. In India, there are so many people doesn't know even about what is green marketing. They does not aware about the importance of green marketing. Green marketing product prices are very high. In other hand, the green marketing product prices are on a high peak. So this is also a drawback to buy a product of a green marketing. Let's see the importance of green marketing. Green marketing helps to keep the environmental clean. As we see, green marketing helps the company to reduce their production cost. It also helps the company to reduce their production cost. Herbal products and organic products are eco-friendly. The herbal and the organic products are eco-friendly. Let's see the limitations in green marketing. Green product requires renewable and recyclable material, which is costly. To produce green product, it requires renewable and recyclable material. These materials are way too much costly. It requires a technology which requires huge investment in research and development. For research and development, the technology is required is very huge, and the investment in research and development is also huge. Water treatment technology which is using in green product is too costly. Majority of the people are not aware of green product and their uses. As I said to you that so many people doesn't know about what is green product and what are the uses of this green product. Majority of the consumer are not willing to pay a premium for green product, and the majority of the people doesn't pay for the premium of the good product. They doesn't pay the high value for the good product. They go for low price of the product and use, and according to that they uses. There are some advantages of the green marketing. The companies that develop new and improve product and services with environment input in mind give themselves access to new market, increase their profit sustainability, and enjoy a competitive advantage over the companies which are not concerned for the environment. This is the major advantages of this green marketing. And lastly, we held to the conclusion, as Indian, it's our responsibility to do value addition of our culture product, that is green product, by promoting green marketing. By promoting green marketing, our green product value could be added. If you think customers are not concerned about the environmental issue or will not pay a premium for product that are more eco-responsible, then think again. You must find an opportunity to enhance your product performance and strengthen your customer loyalty and command a higher price. As your product is in good quality and it is eco-friendly, you can ask the customer to pay as according to the product price. Green marketing is still in its infancy, and a lot of research is to be done on green marketing to fully explore its potential. As green marketing is not as popular, so it requires so much time to come forward to its research. So that's all. Thank you so much. This is all about my presentation on green marketing, and as we see what is green marketing and what are the limitations, importance, and the evolution of green marketing. Thank you so much.